Hi there, I'm Andy Hillier, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Uninvited Guest by Disturbed. This request came on one of my other videos, so if you've got a request, put it in the comment section. Also, if you could subscribe to my channel and give me a like on this video, that'd be amazing. Okay, so I think they use detuned guitars, but I've done it in standard tuning, so I'm just E, A, D, G, B, E. We've got quite a lot to get through because we've got 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So let's get through it. We're going to do the whole song. Starts off with like this verse, and it sounds like this. Okay, let's learn that. Starts off, second finger, E3, and then I'm using my third finger on G3. First finger's already waiting on the next note on G2. So I play the E string and the G string at the same time, and then pull off my third finger, and then pull off my first finger to the open G. So you get, and then you're going to play the open D string. So you got, and then it goes back to G2, pulling off to G, and then another D. So the first bar goes, and then we've got this little bit going to a B flat. So the next bar, first finger A1, third finger on D3, little finger on G3. So you have to move your little finger down on that last note to the B3. So you got, and then it goes to an F bar chord. First finger barred across the first fret, second finger on G2, even though we're not playing that note, but you can put it there as well. Third finger A3, little finger on D3, and we play both E strings, the A string, the B, back to the A, D, and then into the next bar it goes, keep the same chord and go the D string, A string, D string, A string, bottom E string, the one nearest the floor, and then the B string. So bars 3 and 4 go. So the whole line nice and slowly goes. And up to speed. And that just repeats around the verse. Then we go to the bridge part. And we're going to start with this E flat. I'm doing it kind of like, you know, C shape, but barred. So, little finger on A6, third finger on D5, first finger on G3, and second finger on B4. So you could play a normal E flat like this if you wanted. First finger on A6 and third finger barred across, but I'm going to do it like this. Doing it as a little arpeggio, and then I'm going to hit the chord. So A string, D string, G and B at the same time, and then hit the middle 4 strings. You got. Then it goes to G minor. Similar kind of idea, E string, A string, the rest of the chord, and then the whole chord. So the G minor is just your first finger barred at the 3rd fret. Third finger on A5, little finger on D5. The next bar in the bridge is the same as the first bar. And then we've got the last chord is an F chord, and the rhythm goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you get. So let's play the bridge. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which takes us to the chorus. It's going to start with G minor, and then go to B flat, which is just your first finger on A1, third finger across D, G and B strings at the 3rd fret. Then you've got 2 bars of F. Then it goes back to G minor, and then it's got this really weird chord, which when I put it in the computer, it came out as F sus4/A, which it kind of works. But yeah, just a weird sounding chord. Obviously he's probably using different tunings, so he's come up with this chord somehow. First finger on B1, third finger on G3, sorry, little finger on G3, third finger on D3. And instead of playing it all at the same time, you could play the A string, the D string, and then hit it as a chord. It's a bit of a weird sounding chord if you hit it all at the same time, but players on arpeggio, it's not quite as offensive. Then E flat, same as we did in the bridge. Then B flat to F, 1.5 beats on the B flat, going to the F for the rest of the bar. And then just add a bit of strumming to that line. Let's play it nice and slowly. Ready, and G minor, B flat, F for 2 bars, back to G minor, this weird chord, up speed, so that's the chorus. It just goes through once, and then after the first chorus it goes to this next line, which is just a 4-bar little bit that's kind of part of the chorus, but it goes back into the verse. So it goes G minor for a bar, B flat for a bar, F for 2 bars, and then that goes back to the verse of the song. On the second time round, instead of doing this line, it goes to the middle 8. So it will do just the first line of the chorus and then goes to the middle 8. Hopefully this is making sense. Okay, so let's go to the middle 8 now then. And it starts with a C5 or C power chord. First finger A2, sorry, A3. Third finger D5, little finger G5. And so this is after the second chorus. And it hits this chord for a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can do a build up on this. So you're going, so you just hit in that C5, playing quavers, and then we get to the sort of main part of the middle 8, and it goes E flat for a bar, G minor, E flat, B flat to F. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Then the next line of the middle 8, E flat, F, and then we've got G minor for 4 bars. E flat, F, and then we're going to have a little line that goes after that. So let's go from the beginning of the middle 8. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next line. Line that goes, oh, I played that slightly wrong there, that little line. So the little line on the end goes like this. And then there's a little gap. So that little line is just G2, G3, then D3, D5, A5, D3, E6, A3, and then A6, A5, A3, A5. So that little line goes. And then there's 2 beats of rest, and then it's going to go back to the chorus of the song. And that's it. Well, I know it's quite a lot to take in. So basically it just goes verse, bridge, chorus, and then there's that 4 bars of like the sort of second part of the chorus. And then it goes back to the verse, bridge, just the first line of the chorus, into the middle 8, plays all the way through that middle 8 part. And then it goes back to the chorus, repeating round to the end. And that's it. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed that little lesson of mine. If you have, if you could subscribe to my channel, which is Andy Hillier, I'd really appreciate that. If you could give me a like, if you could put some comments on this video, watch more of my videos, that would be amazing. Share this video, and any comments, put them in the comments section, that would be great. Thanks for watching this. I've been Andy Hillier, and I'll see you next time.